This guy, John Guastaferro, came up with the most beautiful approach to McDonald's aces I've ever seen.
And this guy, David Regal, came up with amazing vanish ideas and a beautiful rendition of the routine. So happy to partner with David Regal.
John has a routine he does in the close-up room of the Magic Castle and the parlor that can entertain a room full of people with a deck of cards, and he's decided to include it. What is picturesque? The aces are placed in 4 different positions, picture cards placed on the aces. Then one at a time, the aces vanish, and each time it's a little bit more magical, until finally they're revealed to have assembled in the leader pile. One day, John did Picturesque, his first version of Picturesque, and everybody just sort of stopped because we were familiar with McDonald's aces. It's a classic of magic, absolutely one of the best card tricks that can be done with cards. It made everything more beautiful, and it was a bunch of us watching this effect. We all felt exactly the same way. This just felt more elegant.
I carry this with me in my close-up case that I bring to the Magic Castle, and I'm always ready to go.
Play with them and explore and find the 3 that you want to do in your version of Picturesque.